Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Wendymarik. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, help your girl out. So today I'm going to be making a wig, and this is my first time trying to make a wig out of this glue. I don't know, it looks easy. How hard can it be, you know? Like, I'm so used to sewing it down, and I want something really quick today. Like, I don't take time. I'm feeling lazy, I'm tired, I want to edit, I want to do stuff. It's hard being a wife, mom, and YouTuber, and a worker and an employee also. So let's just get into it. I'm not going to talk too much, so I'm going to use this and this sister here. You all know, I don't know if you know, but I work as a firefighter, so sometimes this hair isn't quite nice, like as a day-to-day, everyday style. So I'm going to make it into a wig and wear it just on the occasions where I want to have a big hair, and I decided why not this brand. So I'm going to be mixing 350 and shade 133. Yeah, so basically I'll just be cutting and moving along. So yeah, just watch. Yep, so today we're doing something super simple. So guys, I'm going to talk you guys through some of the stuff that I'm going to be doing right now. Basically I just started putting the glue onto the hair and then sticking it on. Like, it's that simple. Just measure, cut, put the glue and stick it on. But first you have to let it get tacky. When you apply the glue, it looks kind of gray, but once it starts, you know, looking black, it's good to go. When you put it, it will actually stick. I made the mistake of not using it like the proper way. Plus I also had some extra glue, lace glue, that I was wanted to clear and finish off. This glue for me did not work wonders on my hair. I tried laying my edges with it. There's a video I have of me using that glue, and it is so stressful. It's so sticky. It's just stressful. But anyway, I did that. You can see the hair is looking pretty nice. It's coming through. So I did the front part also. I did the back part like until halfway. Then the front part also I did some. So what I did, so I can go so fast, I measured most of my hair, cut them and put glue on them and just let them to sit and start drying. So it would just be cutting, applying the glue. By the time I'm done applying the glue onto the fifth hair, the first hair is already dry. So I'd go again and now start, you know, sticking them onto the hair, which was very easy, which I'd recommend you to do, by the way. It saves a lot of time. Yes, it kind of looks like a lot of work, but trust me, this is way much easier than the stitching part. And you just press everything down to melt it in right well, and so it can sit. Then here I'm making the closure part. So basically I'm just turning around this weave slowly but steadily and steady, like also passing through a needle and thread through it so that it remains intact and in that circular spiral kind of way. So just do that over and over and over until you build the thickness of your desire, which would be quite like almost like your thumb, like the width of your thumb. Like, that thing should be as fat as your thumb, I think. For me, that's what I went by. Don't mind my environment, that's just in my room. And yes, I do store stuff in my drawers sometimes, like the excess stuff that can't fit in the kitchen stores. I put them in the lower drawers. So I have some shampoo, some mouthwash, a little bit of everything, some soap. I like buying stuff in bulk. I don't like getting like in the middle of the month without stuff. Anyway, irrelevant. So as you can see, it's coming out really, really well. The circular shape is building up, and you will see it as I go on and on and on. And then later I'll just sew it in onto the space that I will leave in the wig. You guys will see in a minute or a few. So yeah, this video I know is fast forward and all that stuff, but I kid you not, it is very simple to understand. And I tried putting like an iron box to flatten out that part. I so forgot this was a synthetic wig. So don't be like me, don't be that dumb. So I ended up using my Got2b glue styling gel just to flatten up that top part to get into shape and make it really nice as a parting closure, which you'll see also in a bit. But that's what I did. Separated the hair super tangly. This wig, I don't think it can last you more than 3 months. So when you're making this, know that it's something you're just going to do for a short period of time, like I did, because I'm a firefighter and this is not fire friendly. So I can't just have this on my head the whole freaking time, because I have a helmet to wear when incidents happen. So that can't be good for me. So anyway, there's the small space I was telling you guys about. So I'll just basically turn it around, fix it in, and sew it in. So that is supposed to be in my middle parting. This is a bangs kind of look that I was going for with the curly hair. It was very full, very nice. I loved it. Try this out. It's very nicely, it's cheap-ish, but it's really nice. Hope you guys will try this out. Bye. See you guys in my next one. Subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and don't forget that I love you guys. Bye. Okay, bye. See you in my next one.